Legacy Network is a decentralized application DApp based blockchain using the Libertas protocol to engage the community participation. You can also call it like this, that Legacy Network is a DPoS open source blockchain protocol with industry leading transaction speed and flexible utility.
Feel uninvited.
Legacy platform has multiple features. Mainly are the legacy web that connects the developers to the blockchain, delivering a unified and seamless development experience. Secondly, the legacy box, it is a framework environment for the developers to test and deploy their smart contracts through the use of legacy web API. Now the Legacy Studio is a comprehensive IDE with an embedded legacy virtual machine LVM. The internal full node creates a private local environment for the developer to test smart contracts before deployment. That is a great thing for any developer. Now the last thing is Legacy Gold. Legacy Gold is same, you can say the same to the Infura on Ethereum. Legacy Gold provides the developers access to the legacy network. Developers are able to build and release the dApp and smart contracts by providing a load balanced and hosted API service on the cloud. This allows the developers to save time from having to run their own nodes. So this is all about the legacy platform. Right now this token is available on the Uniswap exchange and it is basically the fork of Tron. So it means the major thing about the legacy is this, that no central figurehead. Secondly, higher speed and lower cost. The third one is power of the community by decentralization. It is 100% decentralized. So it means your all the funds and all the legacy tokens will be in your hands. Now the best thing, L-Fuel stablecoin payout for the staking and voting. Experience the development team. And the last one thing is clear tokenomics. For example, 40% smaller supply than Tron, 6.4 billion already burnt, 33 billion to be burned year 3. So it is a great thing that the token is going to burn, and here you can see on the main platform you can see each and every ratio of the burning of the legacy. Now the best part, if you want to buy this token, simply you can come directly on the Uniswap exchange and you can buy this token in Ethereum pair. It is available over here, and here you can see the volume of 24 hours and people are loving it. And if you want to know something more about the legacy, simply open the white paper and you can find each and every details of the legacy the legacy platform, and they elaborate all the things regarding the project of legacy. So it's a great time for you to grab this token at this time, because right now this token is available on one exchange. So go grab this opportunity. I will share the link in the description. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.